Waterfall Travel Guide. It is known that the season of waterfall travel is often during the rainy season, so tourists who plan to visit the waterfall should be careful about the water level and forest water. If there is heavy rainfall in that area or in the forest upstream for a long time, the water changes from clear to cloudy. There should be sediment from the water and up in a safe area. Traveler must consider safety to prevent the occurrence of unexpected dangers. Preparation. Study the waterfall travel period information. Prepare spare clothes and appropriate shoes. Be careful of moisture and possible pumped to communication equipment and cameras. Precaution 1. Alcohol should not be consumed because of causing intoxication, drowning risk, or falling from waterfall cliff, and shattered glass bottom are also harmful to others and nature. 2. Respect others who travel in touch with nature. 3. Do not dispose of garbage in all areas except the container provided. If possible, help collect waste from the site to make the natural source beautiful to watch forever. 4. Eat in the area designed by the national park, but not in the waterfall area. 5. Strictly adhere to the declared warnings, such as do not play in this area, as it may cause harm to the whirlpool. 6. Do not climb rocks or waterfall and jump from the waterfall layer, as underwater may contain rocks or deep holes that can be dangerous. 7. In case of heavy rain, the water in the stream is cloudy, then rushing to get out of the water immediately. 8. In winter, the water is freezing, so it is not recommended to play in the water, as it may cause cramps. 9. A person who cannot swim is supposed to wear life jackets. 10. In emergency cases, call the hotline at 1362 and 1669. Source: National Park of Thailand, Number 61, Subnakastian Building, 7th to 9th floor, พหลโยธิน Road ลาดยาว Sub-District จตุจักร District Bangkok 10900. Telephone number 025620760